Hey, this is Andy from INKXPRO. This video I'm going to show you how to fix banding issue with the continuous ink system. And if you stop using the printer for some time, let's say 5 days, a week, and the printer will not printing correctly when you keep using it. It's like this. You have some broken lines on the nozzle check, and maybe one color is not printing at all. The problem is that the printer head is dried, or maybe there's a big air gap there. How to fix it? What we are gonna do is we have to first you have to make sure the cartridge, you got plenty of ink in the cartridge, and also you got enough ink in the reservoir. So if you're not sure, you have to reprime it. You have to take the cartridge out and purge it. And we have another video to show you how to do that. And this video assume the cartridge you get plenty of ink there, and you got enough ink in the reservoir. And printer head cleaning not help because of the big air gap, maybe the dry ink. So we have to recharging the ink back to the printer head by doing this. And first, make sure the ink reservoir is on the same level as the cartridge. So for this printer, it's like the top of the reservoir is about it's the same level as the printer when you open the scanner unit, like a quarter of inch higher, a half inch higher. That's okay, but cannot be lower than the printer. And second thing, we have to take a syringe. We connect to the air vents of the reservoir. Let's say the black is not printing correctly. We're going to try to push air into the reservoir to pressurize the system. So about 10 milliliters air, the plunger like this. You connect to the air vents, then you slowly push air into the tank. So this will pressurize the system and will push the ink from the reservoir, go to the cartridge, then go to the printer head. That will be a lot of ink. So you're holding this pressure, not much pressure. If you can feel that pressure, then maybe 5 milliliters, 8 milliliters is fine. And you hold this pressure for about like 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, and you slowly remove the syringe. You can release this plunger first, like this, and release the pressure. Then you remove the syringe. You do the same thing for the other color, which is not printing correctly. And this way, as I said, is push a lot of ink go to the printer head to re-moisture the printer head. And then you have to wait. Don't do anything. After you pressurize the system, you have to wait for 30 minutes. Leave the printer there for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, and you do a printer head cleaning, then a nozzle check. You will see all the color coming back. You can compare the two nozzle check, this one and the previous one. And if you still see a minor issue with the one colors, do the same thing again only with that color. So take about an hour or two, you will fix it. All right, thank you for watching.